When we change the times on the clock, that's a good opportunity to go around and do inspections around the home and change out certain things. One of the things you should be doing at this time is inspecting your fire extinguishers, making sure they're properly charged, and also giving them a little shake, turning them a little bit so you feel the powder inside shifting from one side to the other. If you turn it and the powder doesn't move, it probably means it's set there and just the normal vibrations of the house and everything. It's vibrated and compacted down. This happens especially if you live near railroad tracks or highways where there's a slight vibration all the time from the vehicles and trains going by. So, inspect your fire extinguishers, make sure they're working right, and make sure you have the ones that are all metal on top, not with the plastic valves and stuff. So, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Add a new skill every month and try to grow something indoors.